Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. Approximately 1:30 in Honolulu, 7:30 in New York on Tuesday, 24th day of August, 2021, and this is the daily report for gold and silver. Although gold is currently trading above $1,800 per ounce, it has been precariously softening, currently at $1,804, trading in Australia. Silver, though, made some sizable advances today, gaining another full percent after yesterday's advance of over a 2% gain. It is for that reason that on today's show, although we are not officially putting out a trade recommendation, we are offering you our strategy for those that believe, like myself, that it is most likely that Chairman Powell will have to backpedal a bit because of the onset of cases in the U.S. concerning the Delta variant. After yesterday's strong upside move in gold, we have seen a little retracement, although gold traded to a higher high today. As we'll talk about when we look at a couple of charts, it is running into resistance at both the 100 and 200-day moving average. It has closed a little bit softer, down $1.30 at $1,805, and we are about 7 minutes away before the open in Australia. The dollar did provide a little bit of strength or tailwinds, closing lower by 0.07%. Both gold and silver decline for the very same amount. Currently, the dollar index is fixed at 92.905. This first chart that we are looking at is a daily gold chart. It is in candlestick format, and what it clearly shows is that yesterday's strong advance, which took gold trading above the 50-day moving average, which is currently set at 1793.20, also found some real resistance at the 100-day moving average, which is currently at 1809.60. Today, we had both the open and close, meaning the real body of this candlestick, fall below the 100-day. Although it made a higher high and a higher low, the high stalled right below the 200-day, or the longest term moving average that we look at. That's currently fixed at 1812.50, and the high today was just below that. So, although it is fundamentals that are driving this market, and most traders, I believe, are either positioning themselves prior to Powell's speech on Friday or standing on the sidelines as they await to hear news from the Fed chairman. My sense is that we will hear a more dovish tone than indicated during the minutes that were released last week, and if that is correct, I would expect gold to move higher following Powell's speech on Friday. It is for that reason it might be a wise decision to position yourself from the long side. For traders that do that, you would definitely want to put a stop below the 50-day moving average, which is currently at 1793.20. And I will put our complete analysis of that strategy in the market forecast section of the members page on today's report. Silver, however, had substantial gains today. The current screen that you're looking at is indicating the differential between the close in New York and current bid price and ask price in Australia, showing it down about 1.5 pennies. But in trading in New York today, silver gained almost a full percentage point, which is a solid gain of about 24 cents. Currently, September futures are fixed at $23.86.5. There are a lot of traders and investors, including our subscribers, that wondered why, when we saw the major meltdown in both gold and silver pricing, did we see a quick recovery in gold but not in silver? There's an excellent article in Kitco News, Why is Silver Underperforming Gold? And it is authored by analysts at StoneX. Now, for those of you unfamiliar with StoneX, it was originally formed as Saul Stone & Company, and the reason I'm so aware of that is my first introducing brokerage firm that I started back in 1993 was by Saul Stone & Company, which has now become StoneX. I highly recommend them, and in all the years of presenting the gold forecast. I've never officially recommended any brokerage firm nor a broker. I've also listed who I think you should talk to, which is Burton. You can get a hold of him at the trade desk, and we have the number listed below. I highly recommend both Burton as well as StoneX. While silver definitely lagged behind gold in terms of a recovery after the flash crash that occurred 2 weeks ago in trading, we can see that it is definitively making up some ground over the last couple of days in trading. Gold gained about 1.3% yesterday. Silver gained well over 2%. Today, gold closed in essence unchanged, and we had about a 24 cent rise in silver. More importantly, on a technical basis, it is now trading above 23.75. I'm rounding up the 78% Fibonacci retracement area, and our Fibonacci analysis is calling for silver to now continue to move higher, anywhere between 24.50 on the low end and 25.40 on the high end. And for those of our subscribers that are interested in trading silver, we can recommend that you can initiate long positions because it has traded and closed above what we considered to be a key level of resistance at 23.75, and I believe that that should now become support. For those traders interested in taking that call, you'd want to put a stop at a minimum below this candlestick right here, which represents the low that silver traded to on Friday. We would recommend placing your protective stop under $22.80. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you as always good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the next daily update and review. Bye-bye.